Hello everyone. Good morning to all. Hope everyone doing good. So from the past three tutorial, I covered what is computer, what is the strength of computer and weaknesses of computer as well. Now from this tutorial, I am going to discuss with you uses of computer. So what is the use of computer that I will discuss with you guys. So still the end of this video, just stay here. You will got the clear clarity about that. So where we are actually using computer, because computer widely used now, everyone know dears. So where we are using computer, so computers are very useful nowadays and computer is being used in every field. The following are the uses of computers. So first field is schools. So in school, computers are being used to teach students using compact disc CD as books. So this is the first use of computer is school. Now we will going to see the second use of computer is bank. So banks used computer for making calculation and storing large amount of information which otherwise would require lot of papers. Okay, so bank used computer for calculation and storing lot of information, otherwise we waste lot of papers unnecessarily. Okay, so this is the second usage, bank. Third use of computer is hospitals. Computers are being used to do research work and for testing purposes of at hospital. They are store patients informations as well. So why hospital need computer? Hospital mainly doing research and test purpose and also storing the patients informations as well. Fourth one is business. So, in business, computers are used for making long calculation and for accounts. So, in business also, computers are very useful for making long calculations and for accounts. Fifth one is entertainment. So, why computers are used in entertainment fields also? Computers are being used for entertainment purpose, for playing games and watching movies. Everyone doing this, right? In mobile lots of games are there, people are enjoying it, and also we are watching movie, we are you watching YouTube videos, web series, etc. So this is also useful for entertainment also. Sixth use of computer is communication. So communication is very fast using computers. We are sending lots of emails in everyday electronics mails and surfing in internet also, and the communication doing in daily basis is very fast. If we consider means few years before, where computers are not there, then we are sending letters. Okay, that is very difficult. After 2 to 3 days we are reaching on the destination place. So now computer make this very easy for us. So we are sending lots of information in every few seconds also. So this make simplify in our communication process. Next one is industries. So computers are being used in industries for storing large amount of data. It is very useful in storing information for future. Okay, in industry also computers are used for storing information, and for the information those are useful in our future also. So this is very useful in industry. Next also one is scientific applications as well. For scientific applications, computers are used to test the different experiments. Okay, we are not able to test everything, so in computer we can test experiments easily. Next use is railway and airline reservations. So computers are being used for making our rail flight tickets. Everyone know no need to going ticket counter. Now we are in home only, we are sitting in our room and we are booking tickets. So that also make easy by using our computers. So overall I can say that computer make our daily life easy. Okay, because of computer we are doing lots of things in a couple of seconds, and we are learning more, we are exploring more, we are knowing more informations, and we are storing many more informations in very easy way. So thank you everyone. Clear? Any doubt, just comment me below. Thank you, take care, and bye bye, and share as much as possible. Thank you.